What's going on, guys? A lot of people was asking about how to make rice and how to make good rice. I know y'all seen that video. I'm gonna pause here so I can insert it. Oh shit, what the hell happened there? Too much water. We gonna do some rice today. Can't speak.
What the hell are you talking about, bro?
English is my favorite language. We gonna make some rice using the infamous rice cooker from that video. The water was like all over here. But to get into it, you're gonna need some basmati rice if you want to say it like a Somali person. Some salt, shout out Walmart. Some curry powder, shout out baraka. I was gonna say it like an American. Some onion powder, meat spices because you want it to taste like that. Garlic powder, and probably like half of a chicken bouillon cube. First thing you want to do is, I don't know where to put my phone, so we just gonna put it here. Hopefully you can hear me the whole time. You want to get your rice pot out. You got it right here, it's empty. You gonna get you some rice, and then we got to find a cup that we're gonna use to get the rice out. I think there's a cup in here somewhere. Any type of cup, this type of cup works. You want to get some rice out. That's about half a cup of rice. I know people gonna come for me in the comments like that's not a half cup of rice, but we move. Get another half cup of rice. That's 1 cup. We probably gonna make 1.5 cups because we've been making too much. You know how that go. And then set your rice to the side, set your cup to the side. And you have your rice in here. Now, you want to wash your rice. Make sure you wash your rice. You want to make sure you keep washing it until it runs clear. So here's the white rice right here. You see all the starch and everything in there. So you want to just pour that water out. Try not to spill all the rice like I do most of the time. You'll probably see some spilled rice, but don't watch that. One hand. Like I'm ambidextrous. So you see how the rice water is clear and you can see the rice? That's how you want it to look. I can see myself in there. So we added some cardamom pods. And we took out the salt and the oil because I guess you don't need that to make it. I ain't know that. I just figured that out myself. That's how I've been making it. The light is bright, shining through me. Now we want to season the rice, and we're going to season it first. Let's get it over here first. We're going to put some curry powder first. Be generous, because you want your rice to have flavor. You don't want no plain white rice. I see why people get camera things that hold stuff. Put the camera in, put the curry in there, not the camera. Yeah, you can smell that.
Yeah, boy.
That's the curry powder. This is the onion powder. Season with your heart, man. Season with your heart, If you got a big heart, I guess you're going to be seasoning a lot. Don't worry about that. We're going to clean that later. That's the onion powder. We just take the cardamom pot and just throw that bit in there. Just throw that bit in there. We're going to rip that bit in there. Throw that bit in there. We're going to replay that like a few times. And then you get the garlic powder. We have it right here. And then, yeah, don't worry about that. We don't clean that up. So.
You need to leave.
Then you just season that. Make sure you season it with your heart, Then you get the meat spices.
Give your meat a good old rub.
We can open it. And then this don't want to come out as good. So you got to shake it up like this. You got to shake it up, You get that in there. We're going to take this. We're going to put like half of this bouillon cube in there. Cool. Now, you got all your stuff in there. We're going to mix it up a little bit so all the flavors can incorporate. I'm going to have to get a spoon there, man. You're going to mix it up. See how it's turning colors right there? That's what you want. Y'all get the gist of it. We got everything in there. I keep forgetting to record. I'm just doing it on POV mode. See, when it's looking like something you wouldn't eat, that's what it's supposed to be looking like. You might have to put a little bit more of the curry in there because, you know, we like curry around here. A little bit more of the other seasonings. I be thinking I'm too heavy-handed. There goes my reflection again. Put a little bit of that. I think that's all we really need to do right now. And then you come over to your rice cooker. If I can get it open without hitting anything. Then you take it, plug that bit in. If I can plug it in, it's gonna start making a beeping sound. Shout out to Aroma, y'all should sponsor me. Take the rice you just made, just set it in there. You know what I'm saying? You don't really gotta do much. Now you just close that bit, push the power button, push white rice, and then you push white rice again, I believe, and then you just let it do what it gotta do. You don't really gotta do nothing else. It's gonna start loading. You won't see the loading and all that. And that's how you make it. Y'all gonna see the result once the rice is finished. It should take, I don't know, 30 minutes, 35 minutes, maybe 20 minutes. Depends on your type of rice cooker you got. This is ADHD for you. I thought I was gonna go play Xbox while I was waiting for the rice, but I was busy cleaning out a water filter. It's so clean now. Look at it. Don't look at it, but look at it. Some things I like to do while I wait. Damn, I'm oily. My skin is shining though. I like to annoy my wife or play some Xbox. Check me out on Twitch.
And get your gun out. Just stay in the weather. You know where the weather's going. You have to sprint. Yeah. Don't worry about crawling. Yeah?
Yeah, nigga.
What I tell you? What I tell you?
OMG. Can't forget the Bev.
Never, never, never.
See how good it looks? There's nothing sticking to the bottom. Easy cleanup. Let's go.